Okay, we're at Ballys playing Ultimate Fire on April 20th, Easter Sunday. He has risen. Praise the dear Lord Jesus. Last time I did this, it worked out good. I'm going to try it again. Do the 5. Max bet on pennies. Big win. How much is that? $322. Nice hit. Big win. Ultimate Fire Link, Ballys, Delaware. Let's do some backups. See if we can get that major. It's up there pretty high. Come on with the ball bonus. You done with this one? And bopping on this Easter Sunday. I'm only playing the pennies because the major's so high, and sometimes I do good on them. Today I've been doing good on the my biggest hit came off of nickel denomination $5 bets. 1014. One more ball, baby. One more ball. Let's try some $5 bets on nickel. Alright, it's time to leave this machine. A couple more spins. $61, not bad. Oh, I thought we had it. Alright, we are going to collect